Hello and welcome back. This is Rafy once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can blur faces in your video with CapCut. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and let me show you how you can do this. So here you go. I have got two video clips. So first of all, I'm going to track this video. Blur the face. You can see how this video is looking like. This girl is moving, but we're going to track and blur the face at once. So let's do this. To achieve this, we are going to go here on effects, and after that we are going to go to this body effect section, and after that we are going to find this effect, which is face mosaic. So let's click on this plus icon, and we're going to do this throughout this video. So now if I play this video, let me just do it in the full screen. You can see the girl is moving, but her face is blurred. We achieved this with one click. So let me show you when there is multiple faces. So I've got, let me take you in media. I've got this video. So these two little girls are playing, right? So they are also moving. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go here on effects, and after that we're gonna go to body effects. And after that, we're going to find this face mosaic. So let's drag it and place it over the video. It's going to do the same thing. So if I play the video now, you can see both of the girls' faces has been blurred. Yeah. So this is the tutorial for this video. I believe you have found this video useful. If you did, please give this video a like and let me know your opinion by commenting below. Share this video with your friends as well. Subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos, more CapCut tutorials. Thank you so much. Have a good one.